But yeah, this summer I was at a party and I just ended up into a mosh pit and got my glasses trampled. So yeah, I definitely always need an extra spare pair of glasses. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madison. If you're new here, please not forget to check out my last couple videos. And as you can tell by the title down below, today's video is going to be a quick Firmoo Glasses haul. And if you guys want to see how these glasses look on me, just stay tuned. Before I continue, please do not forget to subscribe and turn on my post notifications so you do not miss a single upload from me. And without further ado, let's hop straight into the video. Hey guys, today's video is a glasses review from Firmoo. I was lucky to, I'm getting the package right now. I was lucky to receive an email from Firmoo.com about a collaboration for glasses. And for those who don't know or are new to my channel, I do wear glasses 24/7, like I need them to see. As you can see, Firmoo.com also has a Merry BOGO sale going on right now, but down below you can see various different types of glasses, and on the right they will have an option where you can see different colors and styles the glasses also come in, as well as a way to see how the glasses look from every angle. And on the left they have a cool part where you can try on your glasses and enter your own picture and see how the PD looks on you. As well as they always have a video demonstrating how the glasses will look, because sometimes they look different on pictures, as well as a glasses description on the frame size and giving information on how to figure out your pupil distance, as well as related glasses. They also have review section where you can upload your pictures and see how they look, as well as questions you may have about the glasses or the company. And they have a shipping section to determine how soon your glasses will come in depending on what type of style you got, prescription, non-prescription, and all of that. And the prices and the name of the glasses will be located at the top. So I was very happy to get this email because I was looking for some new glasses and they emailed me and I was really excited. So yeah, the website is called Firmoo.com and I believe I have a coupon code. I'll keep all the information down below. But yeah, the pair of glasses that I received were a clear pair. I'm a really indecisive person, so during this collaboration they gave me 7 days to pick out these glasses, but I swear I took like 4 days to pick them out. And I'm just now opening the package, so you guys get my first honest opinion on these glasses. So let me just open this. Alright, so when I open it, if I can get it open, it comes in a case like this. It's cute. Little bag, it says Firmoo. And then it has the glasses inside. And then it comes with your preferred online eyewear service. It comes with a business card. Oh yeah. And I believe this coupon code is available until December 30th, so that is really soon. So the code is D4A2B, and I will have that on the screen right now. But yeah, for exclusive 50% off a pair of glasses, for prescription or non-prescription, you can use this code right here. And it also has other sheets of paper in here. Oh, it has like three other pieces of paper with the same information. I guess if I want to give this out to my friends and my family, I'm gonna give them to them so they can get a new pair of glasses. 50% off. Okay, now I'm going to the big reveal. I've been waiting for these glasses for so long because I had them shipped to my house because I was in my college dorms and I didn't want the hassle of if they'll get shipped there, because I'm at home for Christmas break or winter break. So I got them shipped here, but they got shipped while I was still in the dorm. So I've been really anxious waiting for these glasses. Alright, so I'm opening them now. So it has a clear case. There's something inside of this pouch. Oh, it looks like a little repair thing, which I really need. If you know me, I'm very clumsy and I break my glasses a lot. Like in the summer, I was at this party. Maya! see my sister walking my dog. But yeah, this summer I was at a party and I just ended up into a mosh pit and got my glasses trampled. So yeah, I definitely always need an extra spare pair of glasses. So it looks like they come with extra screws and the little hingy parts, so I guess they don't fall off your nose, which I do need because my glasses right now, every time I bend my head forward, they fall off. So that's really nice. So it comes with screws. Now for the glasses. I'm so excited. I will have the name of the pair of glasses that I got. I did a lot of research, as in like looking at a bunch of YouTube videos to see how they would look on me. So these are the ones that I picked. I don't remember the name straight off the bat. I don't have the name up here. But if I can get this bag open. Oh, finally. And they came wrapped in, I guess, a cleaning cloth. But it says Happy Thanksgiving because it is around Thanksgiving. Well, Thanksgiving already passed. But I guess they shipped it around that time, which is really cute. And then it has a little information right there. So these are the glasses. They look so nice. They have like little specks on it. I feel like that's from packaging. A little dust. But I wanted glasses that I would be able to wear lashes with, so I put on lashes today to see how they would look. And they don't feel super flimsy. They're they're really lightweight though. And let me just try these on finally. I'm done talking. Oh, you know you put on a new pair of glasses and your eyes are just like, I could now see, like it's taken a while, but everything looks so weird and so clear. I feel like, yeah, my eyes are definitely gonna have to take a while to get used to these. But these are cute. I'm not mad at them. I was super worried because I didn't want a giant glasses like hanging over my face, like some that go over your eyebrow. I didn't want that. But I also didn't want them to be super square or small. But these are exactly how I wanted them. And I can wear these giant lashes perfectly. I don't know if you can see from the side how big these lashes are. And they don't brush against the frames at all. Let me see, because I have to do like a wiggle test because my glasses fall all the time when I'm wearing them. So they slide off a little, but they're not too bad. I like these. What do you guys think? Do you like them? They're definitely cute. I will say, no, I was gonna say they looked a little bigger than I thought, but not really looking at it from here. But yeah, I can see. Let me see if I can read this. Yeah, I can read. Like, I mean, I got my prescription right. The only thing about, it was really easy picking out the glasses and the website was super easy to pick out. But the only confusing hard part I found was you had to find your PD, which was a pupil distance, which is the difference between this pupil from the center of this pupil. And it was really hard for me personally because you had to, like, I was looking online, it's like you have to be like 8 centimeters or 8 inches from the mirror and then hold the ruler up here, and it was just, I kept getting different numbers each time. So I kind of just randomly put a number on there and hope for the best. Don't do that. I don't know what that really does for your glasses, but don't do that. But these look fine. I think the number I picked was great. These are cute. Definitely have to wear these out. I mean, of course I'm gonna wear these out. I'm gonna wear these more than my other glasses. These look nice. I was really anxious about getting these too because I just, you know how you get something, and I'm really indecisive, so when I get something I love it, but then I think about it, the more it takes to ship, the more I get anxious about it and the more I hate it and the more I want to change my mind. But it looks really nice. I like them. The shipping was really fast. The emails between Firmoo and their team was really great. I'm very thankful that I got this opportunity. Once again, if you want 50% off a pair of glasses from Firmoo, I will have the code up here. And so I'm very thankful that I was able to get this opportunity. I was looking for a new pair of glasses, so this came right in the perfect time. And the Firmoo team was amazing. Their responses were speedy fast, and the website was super easy to locate, super easy to work. I'm glad that they give you the option to put your face on there and try on a different pair of glasses. And I just really enjoyed working with them. I'm feeling myself. I look cute. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I really liked making it. I tried new makeup looks in this video, as in like eyeliner. I put on blush today and lipstick. Like what? I never do that at all, but I was just trying to see what type of makeup would look good with these glasses, and this looks bomb. So I'm very glad that I got this video out to you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to turn on my post notifications, because you don't want to miss an upload from me. I've been uploading. I'm on break. I'm uploading consistently. So please hit that bell and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys for making it all the way to the end. I love you guys. Bye.
Yep. I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.